The Q7 chassis alignment is perfect on section 3.
Confirmed. We are maintaining peak efficiency across the line. Check the consistency on the rear panel here.
Looks good on the thermal scan, within tolerance.
Check the reflection on the rear panel.
Yeah, slight swirl marks near the edge.
This panel is perfect.
Yes, agreed. Moving on.
Check final position tolerances.
All parameters nominal. Installation complete.
Check the alignment on Sector 7.
Looks stable, proceeding with the cut.
Check the torque specs on the rear chassis mounts.
Looks within tolerance, but let's monitor the next cycle closely.
The surface is pristine. Excellent. We can sign off on this section.
The panel gap is clear.
Confirmed. We are ready for the sealing process.
Check the readings on the hood now.
It's exactly within tolerance, 105 microns. The clear coat is flawless.
The reflection is perfect, just as expected.
여기 잘 맞았는지 확인해 주세요.
네, 단단히 고정했습니다. 다음으로 넘어갈까요?
네, 좋아요. 수고했어요. 여기 연결 확인해 주세요. 네, 좋아요. 정렬이 완벽해요.
Look here. The voltage regulator shows a minor fluctuation during the high load sequence.
I see it. It's within tolerance, but we should log it. Look at this reading here on the LIN bus.
I see it. It's within the acceptable range after the update.
Infotainment diagnostics complete. All modules passed the initialization sequence.
Excellent. The HMI response is very stable now.
Power cycle complete. The virtual cockpit is green.
Confirmed. Logging the boot sequence time now.
Alignment confirmed. Headlight calibration is perfect.
Approved. The sequential pattern is flawless.
Gap is now 3.5 millimeters.
Within tolerance. Apply the pass sticker.
The gap is exactly 3.5 millimeters.
Confirmed. The alignment is complete.
This fluctuation around the rear axle is unusual for the Q7 model.
I noticed that too. We need to isolate that frequency.
The spike at 200 Hz is still unacceptable.
Yes, we need to adjust the dampening material near the firewall.
Look at the fluctuation here on the passenger side. It seems consistent with the previous run, but the average decibel is lower.
The decibel levels at highway speed are exceeding the target in this range.
I agree. Let's examine the door seals next.
천천히 앞으로 오세요. 네, 거기서 멈춰세요. 위치 확인되었습니다.
Check the voltage input on the main control unit here.
Confirmed. All parameters are within tolerance now.
Look at the holographic readout. The injection timing is off by 3 degrees.
I've checked the injectors. Rerunning the diagnostic now.
Check the sensor readings on the manifold. We have a discrepancy.
Confirmed. Rerunning the diagnostic sequence.
System optimized. The results are clear.
The braking force peaked at 9.5 kilonewtons.
Excellent stabilization. The Q7 passes the stress test.
Suspension dampening looks good on the shaker rig.
Confirmed. The system is showing a pass on the braking test as well.
완벽하네요.
네, 문제 없습니다.
The new Audi Q7, crafted with precision and pride, leaves the assembly line for the very first time.